Hey there! I'm Stephanie from Green Studio. Today, I'm super excited to show you how you can create a talking avatar. Just like me, it's actually easier than ever to get me talking like this. So, if learning how to make your own talking avatar sounds exciting, give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let me pass the mic to the human CEO.
Today we're super excited to
So before I show you how I create this AI talking avatar, let me show you my results while testing other AI tools.
Hey there, I'm Stephanie from Green Studio.
And I'm John from Green Studio. Great to have you here.
So these talking avatars were created by AI. Okay, so and you can see it is only their mouth that is moving, and then the second character that is not talking is like a static picture. So there is no head movement, no body movement, though the lip sync is perfect, but this isn't a perfect lip sync. So this AI avatar was created by Glink AI. You can see the perfect body movement, the head movement, the mouth movement, even the laptop movement. So everything is moving. So this AI tool is perfect for creating an AI talking avatar. Say, but the hand is a little twisted.
Hi, I'm Little John from Green Studio, and I'm just a baby. I can't even say all my words perfectly yet, but I have something really important to tell you. You see, we babies don't grow in a day. We cry, we fall, we crawl, but every day, even when it doesn't look like much is happening, we're growing quietly and slowly. Your YouTube channel is like that too. When you post a video and only 2 people watch it, it feels like nothing, right? But it's something. Every upload, every thumbnail, every idea that didn't work, it matters. Your channel is growing, even if you can't see it yet. Just like we babies, your YouTube journey takes time. But one day, you'll look back, and you'll be walking, and then flying. So, please don't quit. Keep posting, and offering value. And if this little voice of mine made you smile, could you please like this video, and subscribe to this channel? Thank you.
So this one is Ilio AI, is a very popular AI avatar tool. Okay, so as you can see, this one is actually perfect. The body movement, head movement, even the other character is not static, even though it's not talking, but it's still, you know, the 2 characters are flowing together. So you can actually try out this AI tool. So let me show you how I created the intro clip of this video. So I use Glink AI to generate this perfect lip sync AI avatar. But first, how about generating the image? So let me show you how I generate the image. Let's go over to ChatGPT and then paste this prompt. The description box, I'm going to leave this prompt for you. Okay, so a 3D pixel style digital illustration of a young female YouTuber. So you can just re-edit this, this prompt to your own preference. And then when you click on send, though I don't want to generate this again because I've already generated what I wanted. So you'll be getting something like this. Okay, so and if you don't want this, you can actually, redo it again to get to your preference. Okay, so in order to create this AI talking avatar, you just need to go to your browser and then type come to this website Glink AI. So go to your browser and then you type Glink AI. Okay, so you'll be greeted with this interface. Okay, it's on desktop view right now. Let me change it to mobile view. Okay, so what you need to do next is to, okay, you can see when you just sign up, you'll be having about, I think, 280 credits, but I've exhausted this. I'm only having 86 credits. So what you just need to do is to scroll down, click on video, Alright, and then at the top left corner, click on the hamburger sign. Okay, just click on video, click on lip sync. So here you have to paste your picture, like this, the image. So you just click on it to take it to your image bank, and then you select the image, and then down here you can be able to use the default AI voiceover, or you can choose to upload your own voiceover. So when you click on select file, you'll be able to select the file that you want to use. So that's about that. So if this really helps you, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, thank you.